Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code on your computer. Now I'm going to have two screens open, so I'm going to have one on Mac OS and the other on Windows, so no matter what operating system you use, this video will work for you. So if you're on Windows, what you want to do is you want to go to Claude Code docs, or just look in this video's description and copy the Windows PowerShell command prompt. Then after that, you want to go into your Windows button and find Windows PowerShell. Once you're in Windows PowerShell, you paste in that prompt and just press enter. And then after a couple of seconds, you're going to see that it's going to start to download Claude Code. Okay, so I'm now in the Claude Code docs on my Mac. I'm going to then copy the Mac OS prompt. I'm going to then go into the terminal, open up a new window. So I paste in that prompt and I press enter, and in a couple of seconds, what we should be seeing is that it's setting up Claude Code. So as you can now see here, it says that Claude Code was successfully installed. So this is the same for both Mac and Windows. You want to choose between dark mode or light mode, and then you can either sign in through a Claude account with subscription, Anthropic console account, which is API usage billing, or a third-party platform like Amazon Bedrock, Microsoft Foundry, or Vertex AI. I'm going to do the API signing, and then here you just press authorize, and now you're all ready to go with Claude Code on your computer.